Suppose you just have the 2D section of a classical thermal bridge, and you want to simulate it in 3D. Thanks to 3D presets introduced in version 8.0, just go to the 3D tab and click the Presets button. The simplest preset is Vertical Corner Extrusion. It automatically generates a components stack that represents your thermal bridge as a vertical corner. You can also add an offset during its generation. The rotating axis can be clockwise, default, or counterclockwise. In many situations, you also need the horizontal 2D sections of the 3D geometry. Layered vertical corner extrusion is used exactly for this purpose. Now the stack contains all the 2D sections needed to represent the bridge in 3D as an extrusion. Note that since this process involves just extrusions of 2D sections, curves or tilted surfaces are excluded from the result. What if we have a 3D geometry and we want to represent it as a components stack? Thanks to 3D presets, we just need to select components stack and use Generate Components from 3D Geometry. You can also choose along which axis to perform the generation. Here we use the default, vertical from bottom to top. This new feature can be applied to a lot of different scenarios. In this case, we generated the 3D corner of a window in a few seconds.